Hello and welcome to physicscatalyst.com. Let us now begin with our question. Our question states that 1 mole of an ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure occupies 22.4 liter. What is the ratio of molar volume to atomic volume of a mole of hydrogen atom? Take size of hydrogen molecule to be about 1 angstrom. Why is this ratio so large? Let us now begin with our solution. Now before beginning, I would like to clear what is standard temperature and pressure. Now standard temperature and pressure is abbreviated as STP, and it is the temperature of 0 degree and pressure of 1 atmosphere. Now this STP is usually taken as conditions when stating the properties of gases. Now coming back to our question, it is given that 1 mole of an ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure occupies 22.4 liter of volume, and this 22.4 liter is the molar volume of the gas. So we are given that molar volume is equals to 22.4 liter. Now it is also given in the question that radius of hydrogen molecule is equals to 1 angstrom, which is equals to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Now what we have to do in this question is to find the ratio between molar volume and atomic volume of a mole of hydrogen atom. So we already know the molar volume of the hydrogen molecule, and now we will find the atomic volume of a mole of hydrogen. So atomic volume of a mole of hydrogen atom is equals to Avogadro's number n times the volume of hydrogen molecule. Now we know that Avogadro's number n is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, and we also know the radius of hydrogen molecules. So putting in the values, we get 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 times 4 by 3 times the value of pi times the radius of hydrogen atom, which is 10 to the power minus 10 whole cube. Now calculating all these, we get 25.2 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter cube. Now again we already know that molar volume is equals to 22.4 liter, which is equals to 22.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. This is because 1 liter is equals to 0.001 meter cube. Therefore, ratio between molar volume and atomic volume is equals to 22.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 25.2 into 10 to the power minus 7, which is equals to 0.89 into 10 to the power 4, or nearly equals to 10 to the power 4. And this ratio is large because actual size of gas molecules is negligibly small in comparison with the intermolecular separation. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching.